So I know that system works. So now I'm very confident, and it's just a start, which is good.
Teaching you
Too
everything
much
is
to,
not
yeah,
is not a good thing. Too much information is bad.
that's,
In strategy can work for someone, but cannot work for someone else for different reasons. That's why
yeah.
here, Trading Busters, we help you develop your own strategy with your own terms. Amit, thank you again for being here. I really appreciate for your presence. So, Amit, tell me a little bit about yourself. Maybe how old are you, where you are from, what you did before, what you're doing right now. This information can help other people that are in your same situation, where in your same situation. The people appreciate this thing. So maybe you can give us some details about you.
Yeah, sure. Like I was actually born in India, but I've been living in Australia for about 20 years. I'm an IT network engineer by profession. I've got my master's degree, computer engineering and everything. I've got a good job. Work for a government organization here, looking after networks for the IT. So it's basically an operations type of a job, which is 24 by 7. So I work sometimes morning shift, sometimes night shift. So I don't have a routine. So I'm not a normal 9 to 5 person. Um, so I work night shift sometimes days. But the best part of it is because it's long hours, it's 12-hour shifts. So I only work 13 days a month. So I have like it's like a 4 weeks rotating cycle. And so I've got 15 days off and 13 days on. So just like now, I've got this one is my longest break. I've got 6 days off. Uh, 3 days have passed, 3 more days to go. And yeah, so it's like sometimes I'm working 3 days a week, sometimes 2 days, and then three off. So it's like that. So there's no routine. That's why I got into lots and lots of things on the side. I started with the trading, specifically this CFDs and derivatives and Forex about, I would say, 14 years ago. And yeah, that time I did a little bit, made a little bit money. And then I think there was some crash in 2012, 13, and then I lost a bit. And because that time I was still learning, and the major mistake I did was I did not had a stop loss on one of my position, and that position overnight went in 11,000 in loss. So in the morning, I woke up with 11,000 minus in my account was all blown up, and I only had 13,000 in my account. And so after that, I stopped that. I went into investments in terms of buying physical things and buying physical gold, real estate, and everything else. And then I did some trading in sense investment, not trading, active trading in shares. So I still do. I buy shares and hold for long term and just have the income of the dividends. So I'm good at that, finding value shares and everything. My portfolio is pretty good and it's positive all the time. The other thing in trading, I went come back in I think 2000 yeah, just a couple of years ago. I started investigating all about this new ways of doing automatic trading and everything, and there are some smart charts available for the signaling and all those things. So actually, if I tell you, I joined a mentoring program which costed me 50 grand, $50,000. But I mean, in a way, it is because it's a university. They have like
That would be
mentors.
a
I've
next
got
question.
one-on-one.
Maybe we can compare this with like
Yeah, yeah.
maybe you can give us
I'm
some.
coming there. I'm coming there. I'm coming there. So 2 years ago, I started with that, and for 1 year, I've been lazy. I didn't do anything. But from just about 8, 9 months ago, I started. learning and everything, because it's got so many things in it. It's like a university. They have so many mentors, so many webinars, and all the videos, and they have the subscription-based smart charts, which has got the signals come in according to the strategies. So you learn all the strategies, and so basically there's lots and lots of things in the syllabus, but you need to master at least one or two. But I haven't been into. I just get confused more I study. I've got mentor, I've got one-on-one sessions that we do like fortnightly, monthly, but I still haven't been as a consistent. The promise over there mentoring was also that I would get 100K account if I show 3 months of three 3% above consistency positive in my own account. So I haven't been able to do that in 2 years. I would say that because I do maybe 1 month good, maybe 10% above. And then second month, I might just start with the losing trade, and then in order to cop up, I would just go downtrend. And so I might have 2 months in a row positive, but third month, so 3 months I haven't been consistent from last like about 12 months that I'm trying. First 12 months I've just wasted. I didn't even try much. So once I got your video and I got into the mentoring program with you and learned about the stats and probability, and I love numbers. I'm a maths person. I've been like I remember all the my numbers, like personal numbers, my phone number, my passport, my license. I'm good with numbers. So, I mean, people rely on the mobile phone to remember everybody else's number. I remember people's number as well. So I'm good with numbers. So that's why I loved your uh, strategy and the concept that you actually had. I mean, I tried your the I think there was an offer to subscribe to the Premium Busters Signal program for 2 months or something for free. And I joined that and started using those signals. And I actually found that, yes, they were pretty good. And I had a good win to lose ratio. And then when I saw your video as just an introductory how actually it is done, and then when I joined and I did the homework, and then I made up my own couple of strategies now. And yeah, I implemented that. I got one of the prop fund, bought a challenge account with them. I cleared, I mean, at first I blew it because of the position sizing, but then I reset it and then I cleared that in 2 weeks. And then I've got the live account, and I already, because that live account, they don't actually ask you to wait for 30 days or 2 weeks. It's like anytime you are over the buffer, that's the drawdown, then you can withdraw whatever is above that. So I made that. I mean, the it was 100,000 account. The test was 6%. I cleared that, and then the drawdown was 3%, and buffer was 3%, so 6% on top more, and I made it like 12% in a sense. And then after that, I made a few thousands, and I actually withdrew. And yeah, so I know that system works. So now I'm very confident, and it's just a start, which is good. Very
It
happy
is.
that I actually sometimes think that why didn't actually you I saw you 2 years ago when I actually spent 50 grand. I would have just gone with you. Yeah.
You know, like that's great. It's a great comparison. The one that you just did with the other program. Yes, you say that they were legit, but uh, you pay them, they teach you, and all this stuff. It's not about that my system is the only one that is working in this world. It was never about. It's just about the system that I teach. It's simple. You know,
Yeah,
that's
that's
the thing,
what I like about this one. I mean, they are also legit. I mean, they are good. They
yeah,
actually
that's what I'm
teach you
saying.
everything. I mean, it's like it's as I said,
But
it's a university,
that's not a
but
good thing, you know.
it's
Teaching you
too
everything
much to yeah.
is not a good thing. Too much information is bad
That's
in the same way as is like not enough information. You know, people need to
yeah,
understand that it's not about info. I could put information here into this mentoring program, lots and lots of videos and all this. This doesn't help, you know. People need trading methods that are simple, efficient, and something that you can finish, you know, from first. I mean, like, if it's going to take you 2 years to finish my mentoring program and you're going to start making money in 2 years, like, come on, you know? So
yeah.
that's why you also have a
No, I mean,
mentor
even
here.
in comparison to that, I would say that that also they didn't have any like a minimum or the maximum time frame. I mean, the only condition on that was to show them 3 months consistent profits. So that's what I'm not able to do it. And people have done it. Some people have gone above two
Yes.
years, but yeah, that's fine. I'm still with them, learning a lot. That's a different way of doing the trading. That is, but the only drawback is that because in that one you can't use like the concept that we have here, trading busters. Um, like you can't have instant trades or anything. They only have like you have to use their system with their strategies, with their signals, and that's where I'm actually finding some difficulty.
Yes, because look, you know, a strategy can work for someone, but cannot work for someone else from different reasons. That's why
Yeah,
here, Trading Busters, we help you develop your own strategy with your own terms regarding like your risk appetite, your trader profile. Uh, Very, very important. The time that you want to spend, you know, all these type of things are very important in order to be consistent, profitable. And, you know, on top of that, the fund account. That's from my point of view, that's something that complete this mentoring program because people,
yeah, that's right.
you know,
That's
they learn
actually
how
a
to trade, but
yeah,
then you don't have the capital to trade with. I mean, like there are two big problems in the trading industry. People don't know how to trade and they don't have the capital. So if you but you don't have the capital, you are still not making money. If you have the
that's
capital
right.
but you don't
That's
know
the
how to
whole
trade,
thing.
you are still
I mean,
not
the
making
only
money.
lurement, yeah, the only lurement with that program was that I would get the 100,000 account. And at that time, I did not know there are prop funds who would give you 100,000 with the challenge accounts and those things for even fraction of that amount that I've spent with them. But yeah, I mean,
Look,
I'm
it
stuck
is.
with them, but they also have a lots and lots of things. I mean, I won't say they're bad, but the 50,000, it's way too much that they charge. But yes, I mean, I'm going with it. I've already spent it, so that's fine. So,
I
but
like I
now
see
I'm
here.
getting somewhere, so which is good.
You definitely do because I'm watching right now your account with Funding Dynasty.
Oh yeah, you can see that. Yeah,
So
I think the live account, I did a couple of trades today, which went profit, and one is still in up
can
down.
you
It's going.
like can you share your screen and show us your trading account with your trade history? That will really help.
Yeah,
Just
okay.
just all right. So you have trade open. Can you show us the close position, the trading history?
Okay, yep. Let's get here. Close positions. Yeah, you can see this one is the live account. Uh, so you can see they're all kind of positive, but that's from last 24 hours. I think I got the account on Monday, which was 17th. Show you all the history. Yeah, so the first day I had a couple of trades which were good, then losses, but that was, I guess, because I was still understanding the platform and the position sizing. So now I've got the position sizing and how to place the trades. So from yesterday, yeah, bit of positives, and yeah, even
Nice.
today, yeah, I had the two trades. Yeah, so I'm just like as I said, long time ago when
So
I
for people
started,
to
I had
understand, so for people to understand that watching us, this is a live account, all right, guys. So this
yeah,
is
it is.
basically
Yeah,
uh he received the account when he joined the mentoring program, and he's trading on. Basically, there is no challenge, verification, and all this stuff. So basically, all these are profit and are his money. Of course, it's going to be the profit split, first withdrawal after 1 month, and then each 2 weeks you can request the withdrawal. So it's live. There's real money, guys. This is what you
yeah,
receive. We teach you how to trade, and we also give you the capital. We know captions. They're like, no, we will give you tomorrow. You need to do this. You need to do that, and all this type of stuff. You need to show us consistency first. No, we will teach you how to do it, and then you can start making money. All right. I'm like, we provide
yeah.
you
No, that's the
everything
best
you
part
need.
of it. Yeah, the first of all, the mentor got Marius. He was pretty good, strict, I would say. But yeah, the homeworks, yeah, of course, when I did the homework and the back testing, that's where I actually learned how to prove, I mean, check that whatever you are uh, finalizing your strategy or building up on the strategies, you can
Exactly,
back
guys. So
test. And
the
before
first
now, I actually did not know to do the back testing. I mean, I've been with the other mentorship program, I said. Over there, obviously, there are charts. You do the back testing, but that's not back testing as we did on this one.
that's not real
That back
backtesting.
testing is okay.
When you
That's,
see what
yeah,
happened, and then
it's
you take
checking the
bets,
trends. Yeah,
you see what
yeah.
happened,
So
and then yeah, you know, and you will be profitable in your back testing. So that's not real back testing, guys. All right, this is real one. And, what I
yeah,
mean to say here, with the homeworks, guys, I'm like, you will not have your strategy approved if that strategy is not good enough, is not profitable. All right. So it's not just
yeah.
about, the mentor will work with you and you will send the strategy and say, okay, that's it. It's good. Go for it. No, guys. So the strategy, it has to be profitable. If it's not profitable, the mentor is going to help you out
I'll
to make
show
it
you
profitable
one
and all
more.
this stuff.
Yeah, this is like I've made this kind of a spreadsheet for myself. So I actually have a spreadsheet which um records all my trades and the data. This is my back testing I did before. It's about 1.5 month of trades. So I've got few of the instruments that I did on testing, and there are a few that I'm still working on. So yeah, these are like the instruments that I already have tested. And if you can see, it's about 80 to 90% profit on the trades. I mean, this instrument I had three losing trades in a row, but then there are two winning, and yeah, that still works. And I mean, so you can't be 100% positive all the time,
It's
but
not
yeah,
about
that this
100%.
works.
It's just about
And
being
yeah, I mean,
consistent, profitable.
because as I said, I'm a numbers person. I love maths as well. So I actually find out, I just find the high and low of the my range, and then I just put those entries here. And these are my buy entries and the sell entries. They're automatically calculated. I've already put in the formulas in the spreadsheet and all the risks that it actually has, and then yeah, how much it will be making profit or what. So that's what I did. I mean, it's working and I'm happy with it. And just like as
And
you
that's
can see, I mean, I got this account 100,000 2 days ago, and first day was a bit of loss, but now I've recovered that loss, and then I have made this back. So as you said, first withdrawal will be about 30 days from
30
my
days.
start. So I guess I'll get all my mentorship fees,
And
withdraw
like
from
it's
here
working
the
a
first
bit
month.
over, I'm pretty sure. A bit over, I'm pretty sure. All right. And then
That's it.
the withdrawal starting in 2 weeks. So first is 30 days, and then each 2 weeks, 14 days, you can request withdrawals. All
Yeah.
right. So
So
thank you
this
for
is
sharing
still 80-20 split.
it's 60-40 for the first split, and then 80-20.
Oh, so the first one is 60
So the
40.
first split is 60-40, and then each
Okay.
split is going to be 80-20.
That's all right. I mean, it's yeah, because it'll be for a 30 days period anyway, so it'll be big chunk, and then it's all
Exactly.
good.
So the first time is going to be 30 days, and it's quite the same because you do then each 2 weeks.
Yeah,
So you
all
can
good,
get the
all
big chunk
good.
from the beginning. Tell me,
Yeah.
Amit, a little bit about like how did you discover me, Trading Busters? Because it's not just me here, Trading Busters. Like you saw, we are like a full team. How did you discover us?
I think I found your ad on Facebook or YouTube um, about 6 months ago, I think, January,
All right, so it
February.
was something.
And
So
yeah, probably I just got into the click learn more button because I'm always into looking into something new and obviously trying.
So
And
this is interesting. So you joined us 6 months ago, and you took the decision to join the mentoring program around 1 month ago or something, 2 months ago.
yeah, as I said, I actually February, I think I found you, look at your video or something or ad, and then I booked my appointment. I think I spoke to Nick and your team. I don't remember Nick. Yeah, I think Nick was before. And then, yeah, he told me about the offer. And then I think it was before the Easter, and there was some Easter offer. And then I said, because at that time I was already involved with the other mentoring program, as I said, and I had spent 50 grand on it, and I did not have much money to put on for this. And then I actually said, okay, maybe I'll try the prop the challenge account, the funding dynasty. So I actually bought one, I think, 100K account, and I did, I think, about 5 or 6 days, and then went down into the negative drawdown. And because I did not have the formula at that time, I was still trading on my own in a sense. And then I think I should actually join the mentoring. And then I think I booked my call again, and I spoke to Peter, and then, yeah, and then he said, yeah, I said, I'm ready. I want to join.
Tell me a little bit about the importance of having like a one-to-one booking a call. Tell me the importance of that, because for me that's very important. For some people, maybe they say, okay, oh, I need to take my time to book a call, to be in a meeting. Like maybe you can tell us a little bit the importance of that meeting, where you find out all the information that you need, and you find out what you're going to get into the mentoring program, and you also find out if this mentoring program is for you or not. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about this. What do you recommend to people, and why would you recommend to people, let's say, to book a call and speak with a member of my team?
I would definitely recommend. I'm actually I've already spoken to actually a couple of my friends to join this mentoring program, because this one, you don't have to think much. I mean, initially, obviously, you'll have to do some homework to come up with your own strategy, but then there are some, you know, good mentors that will help you how to go about it. And then once you are with your strategy, I mean, then the sky's the limit. You'll be able to make much more than you would be even spending in the mentoring fees. I mean, I give them my example. I mean, as I said, I'm an honest person. I'm an open book. I would just say, I mean, I've spent that 50 grand over there. I've spent 10 grand over there. I've spent so much of money, but finally I found something good, which actually have given me results, which I have put in to place and got returns. I mean, until now, I mean, before joining this, I was only paying, has not got any returns back from last so many years, I would say. I mean, apart from the investment world, that's different. For this trading a couple of years ago that started, I haven't got any return. I've spent, I would say by now, I might have spent over 80 grands all in all, by like here and there. And now, first time I actually got some money back, And then that's when, I mean, I actually, I would say there are a lot of scammers as well. You know that, right?
I know that's
So
why
it's
the
hard
industry
to,
has such a bad
sometimes it's,
reputation.
yeah, sometimes you have to be very careful. I have been scammed, and I don't know if anybody is there who's not been scammed. Everyone, I think, have been scammed once in their life at least. So I've been scammed a couple of times, and in terms of this trading as well, I put in money and I started making money, and then I never got the return back. And they took the money and then went away. Can't even find them. So yeah, there are a lot of scammers there. But now when I actually got that prop fund account, clear the challenge, obviously I had to pay the fees for the challenge, then subscription and everything. And then finally, when I got the profits and I got the withdrawal, and when it actually came into my bank account, that's when I
That
realized, yes, it
that's
is true, it
it's
is
working.
possible,
You
and
know,
that's it.
people
So
also need to
now
understand
I'm confident.
that you don't you the thing is this, guys, okay? Like I must say, you got the founder account of funding Dynasty. This is going to help you out, pay what you need. But you can get founder accounts from so many different other platforms, like Amit has. Like how much you has with the other platform, Amit?
So this one is 100,000 account, the live account. I've got the 50K the challenge account as well that was given to me for
That
selling that
that
video
that's the
earlier.
thing, guys. You can
So
basically, get fund accounts from so many other platforms, and grab as much capital as you need. Because after you have your own strategy, the only limit is the capital. That's it. So you don't really need to create
yeah,
even other strategies. You just add more capital and you make more money. It's I mean like
yeah,
simple
that's it.
as
Just like
this.
I've got I've got 100K with you, which is live. I've got this 50K, which is already about 1,700 up. So I might pass the challenge maybe a couple of weeks. And I've got the 100K account, the other one that I've got. So in all, I've got 2.5K. And my other mentorship program, I'll be getting 100K once I pass the 3 months challenge, that as
So you
well.
already
So
have two
probably
hundred
this
thousand
training would
dollars.
help me that.
So you already have $200,000 in this moment, like 100K with Funding Dynasty and 100K with the other platform that you have, plus the
Yeah,
50K that you said you
200
have.
live. Yes, 200 live and 50K is here in the challenge. Yeah.
That's the way. That's the way of doing it. There are a lot of people, that they just spend money. Guys, do not forget why you are doing trading. You are doing trading to make money. So stop learning
Of
and learning
course.
and learning and learning. Okay, like trading is not about learning all the time and spending money on so many other courses, subscriptions, blowing your account because you don't want to pay a course. Guys, trading is about making money. All right. So you also need to make money in trading because that's the way of doing it. I mean, like,
That's right. I mean, of course. I mean, now I can actually vision myself. When people say that if you lose your sleep over something, either something terrible is happening or something very, very good is happening. So now I'm losing my sleep, not just because I'm like, thinking about, oh, I'm losing money or whatever. Now I'm losing sleep because I'm so excited. How do I get more or this? How would I mean, now just today I've installed another screen on my desk because now I need to watch three different charts because there are three different accounts that I'm operating on. So that's how now my mental status is like, going like very
now
exciting
it's
about.
not about learning, it's about how I can get more capital to trade with. That's the way
That's
of
right.
thinking
I
in
mean,
trading. And that
learning,
should be
learning,
at
learning.
your
I
race,
mean, you
guys.
can keep on learning. I mean, learning would never,
Of
finish.
course, you can
Learning
you
will
can
be
develop
all,
strategies and
all
trade
life.
with
Yeah,
multiple strategies on one account. That's something else. But the only stress that you should have as a trader is not how you can get the consistent profitable trading system, how you can keep your emotions in place. No, that's not the stress that you should have. The only stress that you have as a trader is how can I grab more capital. That's the that's the stress that you should
Yeah,
have, guys. All right.
that's what I am working on now. All the time I'm thinking about, okay, so how I'm gonna grow my capital, how many more accounts I'm gonna get, and will I be able to manage all of them? So that's what
So you
I'm
see,
thinking. And
so
plus
you
I
see,
am
this is
also now I'm stressing about,
that's
you know what
stress.
I'm stressing about? To go to an accountant and talk about the taxing, how I'm gonna you know
So you see,
uh,
guys, that's the stress
see
that
about.
we want as a trader. So not
Yeah,
am I gonna blow my account again? Am I gonna lose money again? I need to put again money into my trading. So that's not the stress that we want. The stress that we want is how can I manage? Look, so did you heard that? There's no stress. How can I manage such a multiple accounts? So that's the
yeah,
stress, guys. All right, that we want. I will have 10 screens here because, oh, it's so hard to manage like 10 accounts. So that's the stress that you need in your life as a trader. How you can manage so many accounts, how you can
that's
manage
what
the
I'm saying.
capital.
Yeah,
That's the stress
my
that you
my
want.
main now I've already, I mean, I'm not, see, I've already put in a paper in front of me. I don't know, I'll take this, I'll show you this as well. See, I pasted this in front of me, which shows I don't know if you can see.
We can see something. Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Trading plan.
It's my trading plan. It has all the bullet points, which I am actually looking at every day, that I need to be consistent. I need to take it slow, and I don't need to be greedy. The money would come if I take it slow, and I don't have to have $1 million right now by tomorrow. And obviously, my plan is to have a seven-figure account on my own personal, not the prop fund, but maybe in a year, a couple of years. That's fine.
Exactly. You need to
So
trust the
that's
process all
it'll
the
come.
time.
Yeah.
You need to trust the
I mean, at
process.
the
So
moment, I'm just aiming for just about 10% a month on each account. That's it. That's my aim,
yeah,
to have
because
10%
it's
profit
good.
each
It's good to
account. If
have
I've got
goals.
three, four accounts and like 400K, 10%, so I'm earning 30,000 per month.
Uh, just think about even
That's
like
it.
two or
I mean, it's
five
double my
percent
salary.
Just think about two
Yeah.
or 5%, guys. Just think about this. Now it's easy to grab capital when you know how to trade. When you are a consistent, profitable trader,
Yeah.
just grabbing the capital is only a matter of time until you get to like a seven-figure, $1 million in funding. All right. Just think about not to make 10% out of that. Think about how you used to make 5% out of that a month. 5%.
Yeah.
That's 50K amount, guys. 50K amount. It's quarter of a million a year. That's
And
crazy
this,
money.
and I tell you, George, I mean, thank God that I met you. I saw you. I found your ad and you came into my life. You saved me millions, I would say now, and I will make millions because of you. This new system, it's so easy and it is profitable and don't have to do anything. I mean, just look at the chart for 10 minutes, find my points, put in my spreadsheet. I get my signal for buying and stop loss and take profit. I put in the trade. I go do whatever I want to do. And then I just get
You
the
see,
ping notice on my mobile that, oh, the trade has been active, or it's, got the take profit, or the stop loss. That's it.
so
I mean, nothing
I
else.
look,
Don't have to sit in front of the charts all the time.
I'll tell you something right now. This is simple. I know it's simple. You know it's simple. But can you believe that people are messaging me and telling me and comments on my post that this is not true? It's too good to be true. I'm like, this is
No, it is. I mean, when you see the results, when you implement it, and you know how obviously, people who have not seen how it is actually done and implemented those strategies. And now the thing is that once I know how to come up with the strategy and have my base, and then put in the whatever the parameters, and then once I have those signals come in, I just put it in my spreadsheet. It gives me that signals for the entry and stop loss and the take profit, and that's it. Nothing
Yes.
much to do.
Yeah, exactly. But
And
people need to understand that
because I'm from IT, I'm
it
probably
was
gonna
much easier
make a
for you to
script.
implement this system and put it in a spreadsheet and give you the
Yeah,
exact numbers, so you don't even calculate on the charts the numbers. So
yeah,
that's what
yeah.
Amit want to
So
say in like simple words. He basically has the strategy, but he just put the all the like range and all the conditions there, and it will give him the numbers and everything. So he doesn't even need to watch the charts. So it's even like crazy, right? So
that's right.
you also need to understand, guys, that Amit, it's at this level because he also put the work into it at the beginning. So don't forget that when you join the mentoring program, you have to do homework. You need to work with your mentor one on one. All right. So all this stuff. So if you join the mentoring program, but you don't want to learn at all anything, you're not gonna get to this level. All right. But we give you everything you need.
Yeah,
The homeworks, we push you because this is also something. If the mentor is that guy to push you, is that friend that will say, "Come on, come on, come on, let's do it," right? The guy, the friend with the stick, come on, come on, because otherwise maybe you are at home, maybe you finish the work and you are a little bit bored, maybe you're a little bit, tired, and you say, I will watch tomorrow, I will do tomorrow. And believe me, you're
yeah.
not gonna do it tomorrow. You're not gonna be the day
No,
after. And if you wish, you're gonna forget about it. But because of the mentor, he will say, come on, man, have you done it? Have you done it? I'm waiting for you. Come on. So that helped also, guys, having there someone with the stick and say, come on, let's do it.
that's correct. And also, I'll add on that is that because, as I said, I'm from IT background, I understood the concept quite quickly and I got into implement. I saw the videos and found, okay, this is how it is done. And then I started doing the homework. And then I went to my mentor. Okay, I said, I have understood it. You checked it already. I'm doing all good. Do I have to do whole of the homework, like for all those pairs that been provided? He said, no, you have to do all of it. You can't just skip it. So that's also this good thing. You have to do it, and that's where
Exactly.
actually the hard work paid off in the end.
So nobody will skip anything, guys.
It's the
Nobody
practice. It's the
cares how much
practice.
experience
Yeah.
you have. Nobody cares how perfect you did the first homework. You will do them all.
Yeah.
So that's a thing. That we really want to help you guys. Believe me. For us, it's a lot of operational work, and it would be much easier for me to say, okay, this is the videos. Okay, like Amit, like you say, it was much easier for Mars. Like I understand you was your mentor, to say, okay, good, you get the last one. But no, guys,
Yeah.
we are really here, to help you, to stick with you, stay with you, have patience, and all this stuff, because this is the way of making it. That's why so many people succeed because of this, not just because of the trading system, guys. So this mentoring program is not just about that you will learn a new trading concept. Because I can tell you something. If I will give you all the videos in my mentoring program, if I'm going to give them right now, I can tell you that there will be so many people that are not going to make it, because this is not just about those videos, guys. It's about us helping you implementate everything and practice everything. So it's a whole package, a whole business package. And after that, give you the capital to trade with. So you don't stress yourself that you're gonna blow another account, that you need to put again money into your trading account. So everything, guys, it's made for you to succeed. Again, if I'll give you all the videos for free right now, you're not gonna make it. Maybe you're not gonna make it, but not
Yeah.
that many people will make it. And that's all about. It's about like to help everyone, not just few of them. So it's
Yeah.
a whole process, guys. It's a full business package, like I like to say.
George, I'll tell you one more thing. I mean, it's my honest opinion that
Sorry.
when I saw your videos and I mean, I've found you so genuine and the way you speak, I don't know, it's my impression that I found you as like a kind-hearted like me and want to share your knowledge with the people helping out. I mean, you don't have to do it. I mean, you making money, you got millions in your accounts. Why do you have to do anything? but you're helping people, sharing the knowledge. And that's what I do as well. I mean, if I know something and I help out other people, I don't mind. I mean,
You
at,
know, I'm
because
making money out
helping
of this
other,
business. I'm making money
yeah,
out of this business also. But it's not just about money. I am making enough money for trading. I have, everything I need there. I need anything for the rest of my life. Even if I'm not gonna trade anymore, I'm okay. But it's not just about money in this business. That's why we don't rush anything. That's why, I'm paying everyone to like give the best and the best services that we have, guys. Of course,
that's right.
I'm making money out of this business. But it's not just about money. If it was just about money, I will sell this course online, put it on my website. You know, just think about that. I stopped the subscription for Buster Signals, guys. I had at one point around 1,500 people that pay me subscription for the Signals, guys. So I made a lot of money out of that. And I stopped it because I don't like the
Yeah,
idea of sending signals. I give signals to the people that join the mentoring program again, just to make that full business package so they can make money while they learn. So they don't rush the process. Oh, I need to finish the homework right now because I'm not making money. You can make money from the signals also. But what I want to tell you guys that this business for me is not just about making money for myself. I like doing this. I enjoy speaking with people. I enjoy having a team, and I enjoy seeing
yeah,
people in the mentoring program really succeed because we have people from everywhere in the world and so many different domains. I really like this. Again, guys, I make money, but trading busters is not just making money, selling a mentoring program, a course. Because if it was just about that, the quality of the service need to be pretty far for me to make enough money just to rely on this. Yes. So you also need to take this into consideration, guys, when you buy a course. Do you see me every single day in a freaking Lambo here telling you, look how much money I made? All right. So
yeah.
that's not,
I,
all right,
I've
guys.
seen those videos. I've seen those videos as well. Some people who just, okay, join my, subscribe to my, Signals
Bucks.
premium channel, and
This guy give me
yeah,
$50, all
look
right?
at the
I will
money.
teach you with $50 how to do trading. And I have a full team here, with mentors, with like people that
Yeah,
inform me, like everything, you know. And someone is coming with a Lambo and telling, give me $50 and I will teach you how to trade.
yeah. Yeah,
Uh,
that's right. I mean, I would just say to them, I mean, you show that, oh, you got 2 million in your account and you're trading and you're showing, and then you want more money, about $50 for just providing your signals. I mean, yeah,
something is not expensive,
yeah,
right? I mean,
I
like,
don't know.
anyway, so guys, that's why this industry has such a bad reputation because of this. Can I change this? No, I cannot change, but I can change the people that come to me. That's why you have a call, guys. That's why I don't sell any more signals and all this stuff because of the people that come. I want to teach you how to do it on your own and completely brief free. Because if I'm going to sell you again signals, all right, it will be much easier for me. Again, I will make money with subscription, but what? What? I'm like, your life is not gonna change. You gotta make some money. That's it. If I'll stop right now sending signals, that's it. You're not gonna make any more money. That's it for you. And you cannot really scale that much. Where I can teach you how to make your own strategy. Continue keeping your job. You don't need to quit your job. That's again another influencer type of things that you see them in these days. Maybe you saw it, okay? People recommend quit your job, or people saying, "Oh, I need to quit my job
Yeah,
to do trading." No, don't do this thing. That's like the stupidest things that you can ever do. This trading system based on statistics and probabilities, here we are helping you to create a trading system that will allow you to keep your job, to continue doing your career. And maybe, who knows, in months, maybe in years from now, when you make like 5 times more money with trading than you do on your actual job, then guys, take in consideration if you job. But trading, full-time trading, doesn't mean to sit hours and freaking hours in front of the charts. It's about 5 minutes, 10 minutes per day. So you can keep your job and have like a stable source of income and trading be something extra. Even if you make like, again, 5 times more from trading, it's very healthy for you to have a source of income. That, it's like the one 9 to 5, guys. This why are you ashamed about this? I mean, like in these days, people are talking about 9 to 5. Nine, that is normal, and this is gonna help you. Why should you quit your job from the beginning and get all that stress on you? Oh, I need to make money from trading now to pay my rent. Oh, I need to increase the lot size to make more. Bam, blow your account.
Yeah,
Bye bye.
happens.
All right.
Seen that.
And that's the rat race. That's the rat race that these influencers and all these online gurus keep you in, guys. All right. Keep your job.
Yeah.
Learn a trading method that will help you trading and make money while you keep your job. And of course, after you make more and more money from trading that you do your job and you really want to quit your job, then quit your job. This is the way of doing it.
I mean, I don't want to quit my job. I love my job. But in the current job, yeah, I've been working from about 16 years. But yeah, I'm good. I'm happy with the job.
Why would you make such a huge change in your life, like boom, just like that, to give your brain
Yeah.
a shutout? All right, why would you do this, guys?
Yeah.
Take smart decisions. Okay, be smart in life. All right, don't trust all the kids that are telling you to quit your job and join their $50 signals. All right,
If
it's
I
gonna
if
be.
I if I earn more extra money from my trading, I'll put it into my mortgage. Clear my once the mortgage is cleared, my home loan is free. Then I have extra money. I'll just roam around the world. But I still have my job. I'll take just
That's the
long
way of
breaks.
thinking. That's
That's
the way of
it.
thinking, guys. All right.
Yeah.
That's the way of thinking. Use this money. Keep your job. You have a source of income. This is another source of income. Use the money because in trading we have liquid money, guys. That's so important. You can go and buy real estate, invest in long term.
Yeah.
You can do a lot
That's
of
the
stuff.
plan. To
All
get the
right.
liquid money, put it into investments, get the regular income from there, and then yeah, maybe you can half retire and then yeah.
And this is how you build wealth, guys. All right. Not by quit your job in your first, you got your first payout and then go and quit your job.
Yeah.
Come on, man. All right. Anyway, but yeah, this is the
Oh,
days that we are in, and so many influencers has such a bad influence uh in online by doing this. You gotta quit your job, don't be a slave. Come on, you're not a slave. You just work. You have a lot of free time. I'm doing this mentoring program, and I'm doing this what I'm just because I have such a huge free time. I had a lot of free time because I'm doing like 5 minutes per day, 10 minutes per day. That's it. Nothing else.
yeah,
So I need to.
just like it said, just like it said, if you do what you love, then it's not a job.
But
It's
it's
your
not a
passion, and you
job.
just yeah,
So you have a lot of time with this system, guys. So again, keep your job and make more money. That's the way of. That's what Trading Busters is promoting. All right, should be like our USP. Keep your job and make more money. Oh, that's good. Look, I mean, thank you very much for the interview. All right, I
thank you
really
so
appreciate it
much.
that you share your honest opinion with us.
Our pleasure is all mine. I mean, I wish I would have met you 2 years ago. I would have saved a lot of money and made a lot of money already. But
That's
yeah,
that's the way of
it's
doing it.
why better late than we never. Yeah, that's all good.
That's for real. Better late than never. Okay, I lost for
Yeah,
5. I lost everything I did in 5 years in my beginning. Okay, guys. So it's never me. So if you are doing guys trading for like 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 14 years, don't think that it's late, guys. That's not about that. It doesn't matter how old are
yeah.
you, right? All right. You can change so much in matter of months, guys. Months, not years, months. Anyway, thank you again, Amit.
All
Uh,
right. Thanks, George. Thank you so
and
much.
talk to you on already into the mentoring program. All right. Traders, I hope you enjoyed the video and saw how profitable it is to trade based on statistics and probabilities. It took me years to develop this new trading concept, and now thousands of traders are using it and make daily consistent profits. But don't take my word for it and see for yourself. If you want to level up, you can join my free Telegram community. Our members have exclusive access to trading webinars,
live Q&A sessions, and proven trading tips that actually work, all for free. We also have a premium mentorship program where I work with traders one-on-one and teach them everything I've learned in 10 years of trading. It's wild. And that's about it. Don't forget to follow us online and to like, share, and subscribe. You will find all the useful links in the description below. See you in the next video.